Hi, I'm Echoes of Wisdom, and welcome back to Echoes of Wisdom. Today we'll explore the timeless teachings of Lao Tzu, the ancient sage behind Taoism. At the heart of his philosophy lies a beautiful and simple metaphor: flow like water. But what does it really mean to live like water? Lao Tzu taught that the Tao, or the Way, is the natural order of the universe. Just as rivers flow effortlessly downhill and seasons change without resistance, life has a rhythm of its own. When we align ourselves with this natural flow, we experience clarity and peace. Instead of resisting life's current, Taoism invites us to move with it, to trust that the path ahead will unfold naturally. Water may seem soft and gentle, yet it holds immense power. It carves valleys, shapes mountains, and slowly wears away even the hardest stone, all without force or violence. Lao Tzu once wrote, "Nothing is softer than water, yet nothing is stronger." This simple observation teaches us that true strength doesn't always come from aggression or control. Instead, it comes from patience, persistence, and the ability to adapt. A core principle of Taoism is Wu Wei, often translated as non-action. But Wu Wei doesn't mean doing nothing. It means living and acting in harmony with life's natural flow, without unnecessary struggle or force. Think of a skilled dancer who moves effortlessly with music, or a tree that bends gracefully with the wind rather than breaking. Wu Wei is about choosing the path of least resistance while still moving forward with purpose. Lao Tzu also emphasized the beauty of simplicity. In a world filled with endless desires and distractions, he reminded us that less is often more. Like water that nourishes everything without competing, living simply allows us to enjoy contentment and peace of mind. Happiness is not found in chasing more and more, but in appreciating what we already have. So how can we bring this wisdom into our daily lives? When stress rises, pause and breathe instead of forcing an outcome. In relationships, practice patience and gentleness, just as water nourishes without demanding anything in return. And in daily life, look for ways to simplify, whether it's decluttering your space, slowing down your routine, or choosing presence over distraction. These small steps help us embody the Tao, flowing with life instead of against it. The wisdom of Lao Tzu reminds us to be like water, gentle yet powerful, flexible yet unstoppable. By flowing with life rather than resisting it, we find strength, peace, and harmony. If this teaching inspired you, share it with someone who could use a little more calm in their life. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Echoes of Wisdom for more timeless philosophy to guide your journey.